Tie a balloon on the tap in this way, and you will be surprised by the result. In this video, I will show you what happens when you dare to tie a balloon on the tap. Te aseguro que cuando sepas este truco, me lo agradecerás para siempre. Quizá te ha pasado que al lavar el baño todo luce muy limpio, pero cuando vas a usar el grifo sale muy poca agua. This is due to the saltpeter and the mud, which begins to calcify over time, causing this part of the tap to be covered, called the aerator. With this trick today, you can uncover this without the need to unscrew anything or have to change the tape. For this, you will only need to use a balloon similar to this and vinegar that you normally use at home. The first thing we will do is take a funnel and fill the balloon with the vinegar. I would like to know from which country you are watching me so that I can greet you in my next videos. If you have delicate hands, use gloves since vinegar can be corrosive. After filling the balloon, place it in the tap. Make sure that the aerator of the tap is completely submerged in the vinegar. Otherwise, the trick won't work. If the head of the tap is very wide, you can also do the trick with a plastic bag, doing the same procedure with the vinegar. You can do the one that suits you best. In my case, I did it with a bag because my tap is very wide. The next thing you should do is let this rest for an hour. If your tap is very covered and you want to see a better result, I recommend that you leave it all night. After the time passes, just remove the bag. Wipe the ventilator a little with a sponge and then open the tap as usual. You will notice that the water will come out well again and that it will work as new. Do this trick at least once a month, and the taps in your house will always work perfectly. Espero que esta información te sea de ayuda. If you know any other vinegar trick, let me know below. Today's greeting is for Raquel Zamora from Chile and for Juan Bolter Nunez from Colombia. Thank you for watching our videos. I say goodbye wishing you rich blessings. Help me take this video to someone who needs to know.